Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Tuesday, April 3rd, 2018. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today, looking at the charts here, we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures flying high. They're catching a bid, trading up about 18 points right now at the moment. They are sitting at 25.92 3/4 per contract. So all in all, futures catching a pretty good pop this morning. Now, yesterday, around 2 o'clock in the afternoon, the markets did put in a little bit of a low. We're getting some follow-through from that move, but it was still a very, very big down day yesterday, and we still see these markets very, very rocky going forward. So we'll see how today plays out. We'll see what it gives us, but one thing I will say, the day trading opportunities have been excellent, and that's really all that matters if you're a short-term trader. So day trading has been fantastic. If you haven't done so, come on over. Take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. You could trade right alongside of us. As usual, let's take a look at stocks in the news. First stock we're going to take a look at today is going to be Viacom. VIAB is the ticker symbol here. They are expected to merge with CBS, but CBS is going to offer a lower bid. So again, we're going to see a lower price for Viacom to be taken over. Stock right now is trading at $28.80. I'm looking at the chart right now, and I'm not seeing anything that really strikes me here. There's going to probably be some more negotiation, some more back and forth. So sit tight if you own Viacom. If you don't own it, we'll wait and see what happens here, but there's not really a level that I'm looking at this stock that makes me interested in it at the moment. Now, if you take a look at CBS, which is trading right now around $51.89, this is actually getting a bid on the news since they're not going to pay as much. That stock has a ton of resistance around $55.34. Still quite a distance from that level. So again, I'd sit tight with both of them. We will be watching these once the opening bell rings, see if there's any pattern that develops. Next we want to take a look at is U.S. Steel. That is on the back of an upgrade. Stock yesterday closed at $34.22. It is now trading at $35.12. So good little uptick there for U.S. Steel. I'm not going to make too much out of it at the moment. We'll see how it plays out. There's a lot of resistance around $36.20 if it does get there intraday. Let's take a look here at GME, which is GameStop. They had earnings, I believe, last week. Stock is downgraded today. So again, this one just keeps getting worse. Traded at $12.82 by the close yesterday. Now trading at $12.66 on the back of a downgrade. This is getting oversold, but again, I just don't see a level where I could really get into it just yet. So sit tight. Let's take a look at another downgrade here, which is STZ, which is Constellation Brands. Now, this stock is just the opposite. It's been flying high. Right now, trading at $226.40, closed at $228.16. So all in all, Constellation pulling back a little bit. But this has been a very, very strong name recently. We'll see how it plays out once the opening bell rings. Let's take a look at AZN, which is AstraZeneca. This one right here, getting a little bit of a bid today on the back of some drug news with GlaxoSmithKline. I believe it is a leukemia drug. Stock right now is trading at $35.17. Again, I see very little upside in the name, though. So I'm just not seeing a whole lot of upside from here. Let's take a look at Schlumberger, SLB. This is also, I believe, upgraded today, catching a little bit of an up bid. 63.48 is where it closed. It's trading at 64.38, so that's caught almost a dollar pop. Again, when I look at this name, I just don't see where the upgrade comes from or how it works out. I think this stock still is very, very vulnerable to further downside, so be a little bit careful there. Today we are going to get Spotify trading. This is not an IPO. It's what we call a direct listing, so that stock will come public today in a direct listing. I believe it's going to be at $132 a share. Don't quote me on that. It might be $137. You have to check it out yourself. But either way, that is the price I believe that it will debut at. So we'll see how that plays out. Shifting gears here a little bit, going over to the gold market. Gold is getting hit a little bit, trading down about $4, but it had a big day yesterday. GLD right now trading at $126.92. Spot gold trading at $1,342.70 an ounce. When I look at the GLD right now, very, very range bound over the last 2 months. So we'll see where it goes today once the opening bell rings. Looking over at crude oil today, we see that trading up 37 cents to $63.38 a barrel. If you take a look at the USO, which is a good ETF to track the price movement in crude oil, you'll see that's trading at around $12.75, basically flat from where it closed yesterday. So again, we'll be watching oil, we'll be watching gold, we'll be watching the 10-year U.S. Treasury note yield, the dollar, and everything else under the sun. Day trading has been spectacular. Today we have futures popping higher. Right now they're up 20 points this morning. So we'll see if all the problems of the world are gone, and we'll see if the markets get back on track to the upside. But I do think we're still in for some choppy sledding over the next few weeks. So we'll see how that trades out. It has been an opportunity for all day traders, and hopefully we see that to continue, and I believe we will. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here, short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day. If you haven't done so, come take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room, and we will see you all on the charts.